Okay, good afternoon from here in Ghana. Yeah, today is Saturday, the 20th of March 2021. And in this very short video, we are going to learn how to join a Zoom meeting. So when you receive a Zoom link like this one, right? Like this one, okay, you receive a link to join a presentation. All you have to do is to go to the link, click on the link. You observe that there is a password, right? Some things to take note of. When you receive it, you see that there's a password, and in this case the password is shark. There's a Zoom meeting ID. But if you have already downloaded the app, you just want to click on the link and it takes you to the Zoom meeting. So let's go to the Zoom meeting. So you see it has given me options to input my name, and the name I always use on my media platforms is God's favorite family. So I'm quickly going to go ahead to enter the password, right? To enter the password, you see if it's going to accept me into the meeting. So it's connecting, right? So it has actually accepted me, and center is already presenting. And once you reach this stage, all you have to do all you have to do is to call in over the internet, just like you can see. Call in. So you call over the internet, okay? You call over the internet so that you can activate your audio to listen to whatever that is going on. Then if you are in the meeting, you want to ask a question, you can actually come to more. You see more. Then you can actually go to chat. When you go to chat, you'll be able to what? Send your message to everyone. You'll be able to ask a question on a meeting, right? So these are the few things you need to know quickly to get you started on a Zoom meeting. When you come in, you are going to connect your audio. You can see people. This is a live meeting that I am doing the recording on, and as such, people are actually are doing so much. People are replying to chats, and that's awesome, right? That is awesome. So you want to get involved, and then we grow together, right? Thank you very much, and God bless you. Okay. I'm not done. So I want you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have amazing videos on this channel that you can actually tap into to build both your physical and spiritual life. There are messages, very powerful messages that you can actually view, listen to from this channel, and then you will actually be able to change your life too as well. Yeah. Great. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.